Are you tired of missing Smartsheet updates because you're not checking it constantly? Learn how to get real-time notifications in Slack in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 8 simple steps to connect Smartsheet to Slack. Let's start with the first step. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage, where you'll see your sheets and workspaces. Then, on the left sidebar, click on Notifications to open your notification settings. Next, click on the 3 dots icon next to a notification to reveal more options. Hover your mouse over Integrations in the drop-down menu to see available integrations. Now click on Connect to Slack to start the integration process. You'll be prompted to select your Smartsheet region. Choose the one that matches your account. Then, review the app permissions to see what Smartsheet will access in Slack. Finally, click Allow to complete the integration and start receiving notifications. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.